In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give lead magnets using Kit. We'll walk through a fast click-by-click method so you can automatically deliver things like PDFs, checklists, or other downloadable resources as soon as someone signs up through your landing page or form. By the end, your new subscribers will receive an incentive email with a download button that delivers your lead magnet instantly. First, inside your Kit account, go to the Grow section. From there, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all your opt-in pages and forms are listed. Find and select the specific page or form you want to attach your lead magnet to. It might be the one you're using for a free guide, a checklist, or another freebie. Once you're inside that page editor, look to the top right toolbar and click on Settings. This is where you control what happens after someone signs up, including emails and downloads. In the Settings area, look at the left sidebar and click on Incentive. The incentive settings control the confirmation and delivery email people receive after they opt in. Here, make sure that Send Incentive Email is checked. This tells Kit to actually send an email to new subscribers. Then click Edit Email Content. This opens up the email template your subscribers will see. Locate the button in that email, usually labeled something like Download, and customize the button text so it clearly describes what they're getting. For example, download your free guide or access your checklist. When you're happy with the wording, click Save to lock in those changes. Next, look for the option that says, After confirming, what happens? And choose Download. This tells Kit that after someone confirms their subscription, they should immediately receive access to a downloadable file rather than being redirected somewhere else. Now you'll connect the actual file. Click Choose a File, then upload your lead magnet file directly to the Kit servers. This can be a PDF, a zip file with multiple resources, or an image file if that's what you're giving away. Wait for the upload to finish so the file is properly stored and linked. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the incentive settings and click Save. Then, to make sure everything is fully applied, click Save again in the top right corner of the main editor. That second save is important so your page, your email, and your download settings all update together. Once that's done, your lead magnet is fully connected, and Kit will automatically deliver it to new subscribers through your incentive email.